The shadow self. A labyrinth of the human psyche lies a realm seldom explored. It's rooted in the teachings of Swiss psychiatrist Carl Jung. Shadow work is a transformative journey that involves delving into the unconscious aspects of one's personality. This process is not for the faint at heart. It requires courage, self-reflection, and a willing to confront the darker facets of the self. In this video, I'm going to explore what shadow work is, why it's essential, and provide a step-by-step guide on how to embark on this profound journey of self-discovery. First, we have to understand the shadow self. The shadow self, as conceptualized by Carl Jung, encompasses the repressed, hidden, and often undesirable aspects of our personality. These elements can manifest as unresolved traumas, suppressed emotions, societal conditioning, and aspects of our character that we might consider socially unacceptable or incompatible with our self-image. Jung believed that embracing the shadow self is crucial for achieving individualization, which in the process of becoming the most authentic and fully realized version of oneself. Ignoring or denying the existence of the shadow can lead to inner conflict, projection of our unresolved issues onto others, and a sense of incompleteness. Why shadow work matters. Engaging in shadow work is a profound act of self-love and personal growth. Here are some key reasons why it matters. Uncovering unconscious patterns. Shadow work allows individuals to uncover and understand unconscious patterns that influence their thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. By bringing these patterns into conscious awareness, one gains the ability to make more intentional choices. Heal past traumas. Many aspects of our shadow self are rooted in the past traumas or experience that were too painful to confront at the time. Shadow work provides a therapeutic space to process and heal these wounds, promoting emotional well-being. Enhance relationships. Understanding and integrating the shadow work can lead to healthier relationships. As individuals become more aware of their own triggers and projections, they can relate to others with greater empathy and understanding. Foster self-acceptance. Embracing the shadow is an act of radical self-acceptance. It involves acknowledging and integrating the less desirable aspects of oneself, fostering a sense of wholeness and authenticity. So here's a step-by-step guide to shadow work. Embarking on this journey of shadow work requires a structured approach. Here are some steps that can help you navigate the depths of your own psyche. Self-reflection and journaling. Begin by setting aside dedicated time for self-reflection. And this is not if you can get to it type of thing. This is a concrete time that you can set aside. Journaling can be a powerful tool to record your thoughts, emotions, and observations. Explore moments of your life that trigger strong emotional reactions. These triggers often point to areas where the shadow self is active. Identifying patterns and projections. Pay attention to recurring patterns in your relationships and experiences. What themes or situations seem to repeat themselves? Consider instances where you might be projecting your own acknowledgeable emotions or traits onto others. Explore childhood and early influences. Delve into your past, especially childhood experiences. What measures did you receive about expressing certain emotions or behaviors? These usually came from your parents or people that you thought of as an authority figure. Identify any social or familial conditioning that may have contributed to the development of your shadow self. Confronting fears and desires. Identify fears and desires that you may have buried deep within. What aspects of yourself are you afraid to confront or admit to having? Recognize that your fears and desires are a natural part of being human, and they do not define your worth. Keep in mind, take your journal everywhere. Don't wait to write something down when you get home. I will guarantee that you will forget it. I also suggest buying a journal that you can write in. Studies suggest that physically writing something down is much more powerful. Creative expression and dream analysis. Engage in creative activities such as art, writing, or music to express the uncharted aspects of your psyche. Pay attention to your dreams. Jung believed that dreams are a direct link to the subconscious and can provide valuable insights into the shadow self. I created a beginner's guide to lucid dreaming that I have linked above and also at the end of this video. You are able to connect with your subconscious in a very deep way while in a lucid dream. Several times I was able to connect with my younger self and have an extremely deep conversation. It was a body of a child, but a mind of an adult. It helped me to get things up to the surface that I had forgotten years ago. Seek professional guidance. Consider working with a therapist or counselor experienced in shadow work. A trained professional can provide support, guidance, and a safe space for exploration. Meditation and mindfulness. Incorporate mindfulness practices into your daily routine. Meditation can help you observe your thoughts and emotions without judgment, allowing the greater self-awareness. Mindfulness also facilitates staying present with uncomfortable feelings, a crucial aspect of shadow work. I also created a video how to be mindful, and I have a link up above, and I'll have one at the end of the video as well. Integration and self-compassion. Gradually integrate your insights gained through shadow work into your daily life. This involves making conscious choices aligned with your authentic self. Practice self-compassion throughout the process. Embracing the shadow is a journey, and it's important to be patient and kind to yourself. While the path may be challenging, the rewards like increased self-awareness, authenticity, and inner peace make it a journey well worth undertaking. Here are the videos that I was talking about to further increase your understanding of how to work with the shadow. Namaste.